The wellness services started renovations in February. The concept is to have more windows in the area as well as a coffee bar and snacks for students to use. The number of rooms that will be placed in wellness will also come with more staff. Lori Harsam says that the idea of the renovation is to have more welcoming space for students as well as private rooms for counselors.
We have a lot more counselors and doctors than we used to have. So the new space is a lot more open and welcoming and warm. There's sunshine, there'll be a lot of plants, but every person will have their own office and space. But because we have more spaces now, all the counselors, everybody gets their own room, and the rooms are really inviting and welcoming.
Students have been using the Pride Club lunch area as wellness services until the renovations are done. Pride Club founder Katharina Radkar says she is excited for the new space the wellness services will have, as using the service won't feel like a chore.
It's going to be a lot more welcoming for students, and they're going to actually feel invited in instead of just be like, oh, I need to go to wellness services.
Lori says she's excited for people to see the new renovations and make more use of the services, as the waiting room won't feel so dark and uncomfortable.
Because it used to be just this little dark kind of hallway that led to a waiting room. So we're really excited to show everybody what it's like. And I always say we have between 6,000 and 7,000 visits a year. So we hope that this will get our numbers up even higher.
Renovations at the wellness services will bring more space for counselors and doctors to help the amount of people that come visit the service. This will also reduce the waiting time. Regina Villanova, E! News.